day to all. Dear children, 6th standard reduced syllabus, you don't have first lesson prose, but grammar you have to go through. Next you have Indian season poem. In this topic you have to learn full poem, and with topic and author name you have to write. Next you go through this. Which season am I? Read the question carefully and understand and write the season whatever it may be. Then appreciation question. See, look at this lines, go through this line, and according to that line only you will get the question. See, does the poet welcome the summer? How do you know? Yes, the poet welcomes summer because he talks about the sunny smiles. Look at this word, sunny smiles. So like that you have to learn and write this question answer. And then you rhyming words and rhyming scheme. We already learned how to give rhyming word and rhyming scheme. Once again I will repeat this. Look at this. We will take the second question, poem line. The last ending line, pretty, sweet, grass, seat. Take this line. You pick up the same sound, rhyming sound. Pretty, sweet, grass, sweet. Here, what are the sounds you get the same? Sweet and seat. Then you have to pick and write in this column. Alliterated words. The same letter starts with each word. If it repeated once, if it repeated more than once, you have to pick the words. Sunny smiles. Here, muddy, monsoons, mangoes. These words you have to pick and write in this column, and you have to underline the M. And then go through this paragraph also. Next, you don't have this supplementary. Then we are moving to the second prose. Here this prose also reduced, but you have to go through the grammar. Pattern wise we are going to revise. This is Unit 1, grammar portion. Filling the blanks with words given in the box and make compound words. Compound words means you have to see here we use a rhyme, a dash on a rainy day. Last time you have picked your answer correctly, but you wrote only this, whatever they have given in the box. But you should not write like that. See, we use a dash, a rhyme, a dash on a rainy day. Your answer must be coat. So you should write raincoat. Both the words you have to pick and write. But you have written last time only the coat. It's not correct. So this time don't commit the same mistake. Next, the toy, a dash, both danced on the pond. See, your answer must be sailboat. Next, we must drink tender dash water in summer. Tender, yes, you are right, coconut. Tender coconut you have to write. Don't write only the coconut. If you write only coconut, you may not get mark. We can see a dash after summer showers. Rainbow, you have to write the both words. Compound words denotes that more than one word. Clean the ashes out of the fireplace. Next, complete the following using the group names. You have to write the group names. The first one, a dash of wolves went hunting in the forest. A pack of wolves went hunting in the forest. She bought a new dash of shoes for her birthday. Pair of shoes. A shoal of fish swam past our boat. A dash of bees had settled on a mango tree. Swarm of bees. I ate bunch of grapes. Next you have to pick the suitable conjunction, linking words, connective words. This you go through fully. They have given in match and then in fill up, in choose also, but you should understand. First one, our team played well. A dash won the game and won the game. She shipped badly, but she did not hurt herself. You have to pick the suitable conjunction from the option and you have to write correctly. Next to this we have seen already. Then unit 2 grammar you have to go through. Then unit 3 poem also you don't have. Unit 2 poem also you don't have. Next your pattern is what day it is. I already said in Indian season what day it is they have given. Go through that riddle also. Next unit 3 grammar. Look at this. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes or which gives a sense, a complete sense. That is called sentence. In English language, the sentences are divided in 4 kinds. A declarative or assertive, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative. A declarative or a simple statement or assertive which starts with caps and ends with full stop. An interrogative statement starts with question word and ends with question mark. Look at this. How many kilos do you want? I like that. An exclamatory. It starts with caps but ends with the exclamatory symbol. They are strong, sudden feeling. And then imperative. It's order, command, request. It denotes. Look at this example. Go through this example and understand and write what is interrogative. If it is interrogative, you have to pick the word and write interrogative here. Like that you have to complete this. Next, look at this statesman. Look at this jumbled words. You have to make in your order, correct order. For example, the first one, order a yummy round and big cake her parents. How to make this? How to form a complete statement? Her parents. You have to pick the subject. Her parents order. Look at this verb. What they order? A yummy, round and big cake. Then you have to make a statement. SVO pattern. The sentence starts with subject and then verb and object. You have to frame as a complete statement and pick your answer, form your answer correctly and write. Next, you have to go through this dialogue. Complete the dialogue by using suitable adjectives in the blanks. See, look at this. You have to pick the adjective correctly. Whenever you have your question in dialogue form, you have to go through the first sentence and after that statement also. Then only you can understand the concept and write. Go through this statement completely until you understand. Then you can start this. Sindhuja, hi Venkat, hope you received the message about our school sports day. Then Venkat, yes, I was the dash. Want to enroll my name in the events. Already they have given adjective. So what the number of adjective here? Only one. And then Sindhuja. So tell me for how dash events have you enrolled? Yes. How many events? Then Venkat, I have enrolled myself only in a dash event. The number may be particular number or few events. Sindhuja, what are they? Then Venkat, as I am told, I have given my name for dash. He is told, so he may given long jump and running events. Then Sindhuja, that's dash to hear, good to hear. Then what about you, Sindhuja? I have decided to participate in dash event. Maybe you can answer few or all like that. Then Venkat, hi, that is dash. Fine, expecting the best from you. Thank you so much. Venkat, wish you the same. Let us rock. See, whenever you if you are writing dialogue, you go through the first statement and after this statement then understand the concept and give the answer correctly. Here they have given only the adjective, so I hope you followed. Do well your exam. All the best for your exam.